Okay, hello everyone. In the last chapter we talked about a highlight and default. In fact, highlighting and defaulting, we have already talked about it in the previous chapter. There is not much to talk about. However, many people may use it later. He always told me that he couldn't change it, and why. It's very simple not to change it, because you didn't make the default. Let's say I choose this burst of lights. I double tap, double tap, double tap. I activate all of these. After all are activated, I am in this position, this place. I press save. Press the save button often. Don't let go. I remove this precognitive filter. Here's what I'm clicking next to here. Now I have a piece of material that I have saved. This material, it is the default material for all my registrations, right? What about me? I changed this material to the default material. So how to change? Except for the little yellow ball here. Click on this one. Only from here can be modified except for the default material. We have a way. Accessories. Click on it. Point determined. Here it is. Normal. Default. Highlight. Stage. It is the state of the stage if you use it. After that, it was presented on the stage. Then we default. What about when we have this state? I don't care about you in the future. This lamp. Consecration. How chaotic you will be in the future. No matter how hard you can find it. It's okay. Click on it. Click on this default state. Then clear. This light will be normal in the future. So before doing it, you start by selecting a set of lights. Activate all defaults first. Save a state. You can modify the rest. What about this default state? Let's take an example. Where is it used? Let's say I have a special light source. It is always hit at a certain point. On stage. However, what about this lamp? I want its state. The state is consecrated. It's on that stage. Is that simple? That's it. Select these lights. Select this set of lamps. Let's say I select this set of lamps. I press the consecration. Hit it a little. I need it. Forever in this state. Hit the first two. It may be the audience seats then. Always on this audience. What about this time? I don't need it to shine. It has to be thrown off from above. Something like that. Then I'll save a material. I save a footage here. Then I point out the accessories. Wrong point. Accessories. Click on it. Then click OK. Then change to the default value. Let's double click on it again. Then clear. In the future, we will register this. Its parameter value. It's the default installation. I press the 4 switch. After I chose it. You see. This is the default. But by default, you have to know how to use it back. Then you don't want to use it when the time comes. I can't go back. Double click on it. You see, I just switch and it's normal. You just need to put all the lights on. Or every set of lights. Make a basic default next to each of them. It's okay if you do it wrong. If you can't find it, choose that lamp. Just click default. Highlight is a state. This state can be said. For example, I think the end is a breaking point. It doesn't matter where your lights are. It's all a breaking point. Or a modeling lamp. I can put these lights. All are compiled into a single material. Get it right. Make it into a material. Put it here. Change it to highlight. At this time, I just need to be at the end. I click highlight. This light will be followed. These positions that I set earlier. Just proceed. Release. So, this state, and this is. The default is the same. For example, we are now. This light is selected by default. Let's take a look at this lamp. This luminaire is shown here. Right-click. You will see no, we have never. I thought it was too fast. Maybe we know first. Now it is in a state of no lights, right? No light status. I double-click on this. This default is used. This default word is used. This is the case with this set of lights. What about this set of lights? Let's take a look at this. in the list of lamps. Let's look down. Yes, it is the 30th light to 31 down, right? Let's pick a light now. Right-click. A pop-up window will go down, up. Do you see it? Y-axis and X-axis, their parameters. It varies. No more 0. That's the parameter now. Please pay attention. I am now. Reply default. I know first. Be clear. I pick it first. Okay. Now I'm looking at this set of lights. Stands up. It has returned to normal. Let's take another look at this. This one. Locate light 30. This one. We right-click. Take a look. It XY. See, no. XY has become normal now. 0. Highlight and more. That's because we highlight. There were no cancellations. Then we do it. Just now. Made a material. Is the default. Then let's double-click on this. I'll clear it. I double-click. Activate this. After activation, I'll save another clip next to it. I can't save it. Then I choose 330. Consecration. Normal. Normal state. Now it's normal. I save a footage. Cover it. What is going on? Choose this light. Double-click. Double-click. Save a clip. Here. After saving, how do I distribute them? I order it. I changed it to. How can I be sure? I changed it to highlight. I'll double-click highlight now as well. Default also double-click. Okay, let's take another look. Locate light 30. You see, XY axis and highlight values have completely returned to normal. That is to say, we have been selected. Change this material to highlight or later. Quality is directly changed, so this. Be sure to pay attention, otherwise, you'll be in trouble then. Can't change it. When you use it, you are in the clouds. Okay. What about me now? After it is normal, I delete the preset. 2.16 determination. Kill them. How am I doing now? Export the vegetables. Remove the vegetables first. Remove preset 1.146. No need to delete. Delete the preset. 2.1 is also available. 3.16. Decide to delete. Okay, no. Let's import it again. Create it. 330 created. This one was created. This one was created. 1200. Created? Okay. Some were created. We created the material. After creating it, I don't even know which material is which. All of the same color. Then we can apply it. Create a color identifier to make yourself more aware of your color. Right. Create a color identifier. Let's start first. You must know this little yellow ball. Little yellow ball. There is a color in it. We can choose a color. Choose blue for this. What color should I choose? Change. Red. Red is not good looking. Blue. Ouch. Run. Blue. It's blue. I see you like it. The color we just adjusted. That's what we are. The color of this thread. Let's change a color. What color do I like? I like it. Green. Then look. It's all green. It's all green. Let's change the color again. Oops, I ordered again. There are also some options here. You see, this is the size of the icon. It's ugly. There is also a quick call out. Quick call out, or call it out normally. Quick call out is tap to bring it up directly. Normally tuned out. It is to double click twice to bring it out. This is the text pattern. When open text, this is the color of resetting it. Reset its color. This one is preservation. Default. Then our gobo. Why is it by default? The default is that global. Just set it up here. Then let's take this color for example. We also default to the global picture. Then we choose what we default to. Selected, not. Our location is selected by default. Then we want to make a color logo. If you make a color logo, let's go to the colors here. First, we go to select 330. Wow. I found that after the 330 arrive here, there is wood. Then I'll make a red feature. Press assign 3 times. 123. Then space it again. And add key. Okay. This feature, then I'll give it a name. It's called 123. What is this called? Forget it. I don't bother to change. Change it to 2. I order it. Click on it. Set a red color. Then we take the mouse away. Take it to the side. Do you see it? It turned red. This is its identity. Then you can put this set of lights. All are marked in red. That. It. Preset. For example, preset. This is a few. 4.1. 16. 20. Okay. Give it a different color. See no. All change. That 21. Let me be clear. Look at 21. 21 to how much? Wow. To 142. Then we continue to press the command we just had. Dot. Oh, use it here. As and twice and 3 times to preset once. And then 4.1 is not 1. 4. How much have you forgotten? Day. This one is 142. 142. Remembered. My mind is not good. 21. Distribution. Present. Wrong point. Present. 4.21 arrives. 140. 146 bar. Okay. Change it to another color. Change to green. Okay. Then let's start with, where did you come from? You can tell the difference from here. What is red? And then what is green? And then other colors or something. This is to change the color for him. Of course, we don't just give. This frame changes color. We can change the color of ourselves. I can change the color of them. Give any of these things in these pools. You can change the color, isn't it? There is nothing that cannot be done. Only you won't do it. You see what color you want to change. What to change? Be unique. Right. Make this logo even better. Let yourself better understand what it is. Then I can change them. Right? This really depends on yourself. If you want to get back to normal, the color of this thing, you can click on the release to confirm. Release ya. It will change color back. This point as ends 3 times. Got it. Then add an add. Give color identification. Let's talk about this simple today. Give color identification and then right. Come to this piece of material. Okay, thank you.